If I had to oversimplify things, which I'm going to do, I would say the two most basic Salesforce professional roles are administrator and consultant. Welcome to Salesforce Help Club. I'm Isaac, and I want to help you land your first Salesforce role. So you can start as an administrator or a consultant, depending upon what roles you've already had in the past. Or to look at it another way, you could work internally for a company, working on your own company's Salesforce org. Or you could work as a consultant independently or for a consultancy, working on Salesforce instances as an external agent. As a company's size or project size scales up, there's much more nuance in what these roles look like, and they can be broken out into different specialized roles. For example, even at a small or medium-sized consultancy, you might have project managers and business analysts and developers as three distinct roles. At larger consultancies or for larger projects, you could end up having solution architects or quality assurance managers or data migration specialists or change enablement specialists. Working internally at a company that uses Salesforce, as you get up to larger and larger companies, you may have Salesforce product owners, developers, and business analysts there as well. So there are a lot of different entry points into a Salesforce career. If you are already a developer or already a data migration specialist, you can simply learn more about Salesforce and then pivot into a more Salesforce focused role. If a simple transition like that is not possible for you, don't pick out a specialty just yet. I would say focus in on becoming a Salesforce admin. I think that is the simplest path for you to make it into the Salesforce ecosystem. You will then have lots of opportunities to pivot into other roles in the future. The nice thing about being an admin is you have a steady, predictable type of role. You work with one company, usually with just one Salesforce instance, and most of the time you are just maintaining a system or making small improvements over time. The nice thing about being a consultant is you have a fast-paced, dynamic type of environment that you work in. Usually you will work with more than one company at a time, which means different Salesforce instances, different Salesforce products, different use cases. The nice thing about this is that it provides you more opportunity to learn and expand your skill set quickly. But even if that sounds preferable to you, I think it is easier to get into a consulting role after you've become an admin first. Okay, this isn't meant to be an in-depth video on any of these specific roles. We'll leave that for a future video. I just wanted to give you a quick taste of these most basic roles. But if you want to start your journey towards either of these roles, make sure you subscribe so you see future content that will help you on your journey, and consider to head over to Trailhead, which is a learning management system that Salesforce has put together, and you can start completing lessons there where you can prepare to pass a Salesforce certification exam. I also created a custom trail mix down below in the description. If you click on that, it can help guide you through a curated list of modules in Trailhead. If there is a specific role you want me to make an in-depth video about, post that in the comments for me to see. Otherwise, thank you for spending some time with me. See you soon.